In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. Now, this can be really useful if you're trying to open something on a website and it's currently not working, then you may need to go in enable pop-ups. Now, to do this, just click on the three vertical dots in the top right-hand side of the screen, and then you can click on settings from the list of options. In the left-hand navigation, click on privacy and security, and then you need to click on site settings. You then need to scroll all the way down this page and you'll see an option here for pop-ups and redirects. Go and click on this. Now, in order to enable and turn on pop-ups, make sure this option here, sites can send pop-ups, is turned on. Now, if you want to go and allow pop-ups for a specific website, you can also come down to this section, allowed to send pop-ups. You can click on the add button and you can go and type in the website that you're trying to receive a pop-up from. Also, make sure the website is not in this blocked list here, as this is going to stop you from receiving pop-ups. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.